Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Whitley Middle School, home of the Colonels in Williamsburg, Kentucky. My first visit to their community. It was an awesome afternoon. Got to speak to all the grades, students and staff, grades 7 and 8 in the gymnasium. I'm not too far outside that location. And I love these different murals of positivity and meaning all across the school grounds. This one says, "You are not alone." And that was a key focus today, talking about that we had the main theme on bullying, but the sub-theme looking at the heart first. And when our heart is in pain, being able to reach out to someone else, whether it's a best friend, a teacher, a coach, someone that cares. And that's why when it says you are not alone, I really tried to reinforce that, key focus as well. And we always know that our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, by how you choose to treat that person, but also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, we can either uplift someone high as the clouds, that it stays in their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, we can say something so destructive and mean that it stays on their heart in a very negative way, potentially for the rest of their life. So we always have a choice, right, to turn that pain or hurt from hurt people who hurt people. The biggest reason that I see why bullying happens, whether it's to ourselves or others, turn that into heal people who heal people. And that means, again, seeing others for their heart before anything else, but also for this too. I wear this shirt for all my assemblies on this topic, and you'll see that the M right here, that stands for miracle. On the palm of our hands, with the lines on our hands, all of us have a letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one on each hand. And that M, I say, stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for Whitley, also for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And so if we can, start to buy into this concept, then we know that we have this power to, rise above the hate, self-hate or self-doubt, but, any hate towards others as well, because we know that we see them and the value in everybody around us. So taking all that in mind, being that best friend, showing that compassion, showing that love, knowing that it takes courage to reach out, it takes courage to do the right thing, to stand up for somebody with no voice or a small voice. That's what I was trying to hammer home through a series of heartfelt stories, some positive music, the inspirational videos, the picture slides that kind of reinforced all the different messages that I was sharing today. And I think it really did touch some hearts. And I always say, if it did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thank you so much for having me here today. I hope to see you all again in the future. Have a great school year that just begun, and really keep trying to shine that light that we always talk about. Thanks for touching my heart. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.